The hero section of your website is kind of like going on a blind date, especially when it's on your home page. So if you were to meet someone for the first time, you don't want them showing up with dirty teeth and messy hair and stinky clothes. We don't want that happening on your website either. But unfortunately, I see a lot of home service businesses actually kind of having a stinky blind date on their hero section of their website. I'm going to show you what I mean right here. So I removed the name of this particular company, but they are exterminating service in the Philadelphia area. And as you can see, this image they have is lacking people. We see an image, I assume it's of Philadelphia. There's nothing in the image that draws me in as a first-time visitor in seeing people who are happy, who had their pest control problem solved. There's no emotion in this image. And this is what is known as the hero section, or the first screen that people see. The other thing is the hero section, it does not answer 3 questions, which is really important to answer on any hero section of your homepage. And that is this: you want to answer what it is that you offer. Why should I care as a visitor? What does it mean for me? How is it going to benefit my life? And what's the first step you want me to take? It's completely, the only question it does answer is what it is that you offer. We know they offer pest control services, and that's it. There's nothing compelling in this, in the image or the copy, to want me to hire you for my pest control problem. So I'm going to show you what I did instead. So I added a headline and I picked focusing on their punctuality, because that's something in Google reviews talked about, which means they probably have a process in place so that people are not left waiting around and it helps them to show up on time. That's really important. As someone who's considering a pest control service, I do not want to be taking time off out of my day or reschedule things to have to wait around because you didn't show up when you said you would. So I would want that possibility, or that doubt, or that worry in my brain put to rest by telling me that you're really good at showing up on time. So I'm just going to focus on that value proposition in that headline, and I'm going to back that statement up that I've just made with a 5-star Google review from someone named Daniel McCoy. It's a real Google review. Daniel talks about how they were given a date and time, that it was confirmed a day or 2 prior. They showed up on time. They were thorough with their work. They were detailed. They explained everything. And so that helps me as a visitor to feel like, okay, not only are you licensed, so I trust you're going to do a good job for me, but you're also going to be punctual, which is something I really appreciate. Just in adding the headline and that testimonial, we've answered the first 2 questions. What is it that you offer? Why should I care? I should care because you are an exterminator that's really good with time. And I am a customer who really appreciates that, or a potential customer. The last thing we did was get your quote. That is a call to action button. And that is what you want to add to your hero sections, because you're telling me as a visitor that if you want us to help you with your pest control problem, this is the first step you need to take. Click this button to get your quote. What I've shown you is actually only a taste of how awesome you can make your hero section. You can write awesome headlines to make that hero section even more amazing, to get people scrolling down and checking out more of your site and your services. And watch this next video, because I'm going to show you how to make awesome headlines.